everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you a truly fantastic product, the Isab Vinyl Waterproof Sticker Paper. This remarkable product is a game changer for labeling items in wet conditions, and it's perfect for your daily needs. The Isab Vinyl Waterproof Sticker Paper is designed to withstand moisture, making it ideal for labeling items in damp conditions. Whether you're organizing your tools, labeling your food containers, or marking your outdoor gear, this sticker paper has got you covered. But what makes this product truly special? The durability. Its waterproof quality ensures that your labels remain vibrant and intact even when exposed to water. This means your labels will last longer and won't fade away under harsh weather conditions. Say goodbye to soggy labels or peeling stickers. So why not give the Isab Vinyl Waterproof Sticker Paper a try? With its exceptional durability and moisture resistance, it's the perfect solution for all your labeling needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting product reviews like this one. Until next time, stay organized and happy labeling!